everyone, I'm Ryan with Quantum Property Inspections. Here's 3 good reasons why you should get a home inspection prior to finalizing the purchase of your new home.
Reason number 1, ProTools. Gas detectors, moisture meters, thermal imaging cameras, and drones are some of the essential tools in our everyday toolkit. We use ProTools to help us find the problems that aren't visible to the naked eye. Reason number 2, Appliance Function. We test all appliances with normal operating controls in order to ensure they are functioning properly, so you don't get any surprises when you move into your new home. Reason number 3, Improper Component Install. No knob left unturned, no faucet left unoperated. Check to make sure components have been installed properly so you know what sort of repairs might await you.
Stay tuned for more inspection-related videos. And the next time you need a property inspection, don't forget to call Quantum Property Inspections.